lang natin yung araw. Kaya, now let's proceed to our next contestant. Contestant number 20.
Sorry for giving me the opportunity to speak. First, why would you think Mordred as my character? First, I chose him because of his background. He is a king in Jerusalem. At only 12 years old, he was elected. He is a king in Jerusalem. But he has a disease, called leprosy. But he didn't let this disease break him or seize him. But instead, he took the disease as his power, speak to the nations, to seek his government, and to show his curiosity. Because King Mordred is a super califragilistic, XP-Allocation warrior, and also king and a beautiful warrior. Why? Because he's only 16 years old. He won at Salamuddin. He defeated the Muslims. Why? Because he had his awesome mind, his awesome power in mind. He's like thinking. Yes, that's why I said that, and that's why I said earlier that we don't need our physical strength. We don't need the strength for our bodies. Because I believe that the true power lies from within. And I believe that if there's a way, there will always be a way. Because the true power comes from within. And I thank you.